Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Maxine as she explains herself, reasoning be with Lorraine and Steve. She's saying that if she wanted to sleep with Steve, she had ample opportunity to, but she did not sleep with him. And so she's explaining that she has never met some other people that their names were calling up with her, and she don't want anyone to really go ahead and tell a lie on her. But she's clearing the air. She's apologizing to Lady V, Gracie, and to the man in the dark for the problems that they're now facing because they took up for her. So go catch the video, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video.
I want to apologize to Stacy Campbell, Lady V, and Leggy, legendary, the man in the dark. I want to apologize to no, like big time, and Gracie too, like big time, because you know what? You never ask for this. You just put out the truth. You just put out the truth, and they get a beaten feet. It's nothing that I said that is being a problem. Nothing, because I never said anything. All I want to hear everything on tape. It comes right out of the drunk mouth. It comes right out of the lion mouth. It comes right out of the parasite mouth. Have nothing to do with me and my belief or nobody's belief. You understand? Whatever was said, I never say it. And it don't matter if me believe it, me daughter believe it, or whoever believe it. It don't even matter. It does not even matter who believe it. It came from the horse's mouth. Number 2, Miss Michelle, let me tell you something, Michelle. This a girl your pussy not up on her forehead. Because if you went up on my forehead, I would be a billionaire right now. I would be a billionaire. You understand? So when you go chat about, you go give Laurie a liar. Because the next thing me I go say, me screw Steve. No. Me nah go tell no lie for Steve. None at all. Me nah go tell pan him. None. Me went down know say Steve Dick dead from morning. Me went down know say he dead. Cause the minute Lorraine come in, Lorraine fast asleep and start snore. Fast asleep and start snore. And me and Steve up for hours. If me want to lay down in a bed with Steve, me couldn't lay down in a bed with Steve. Me have more than opportunity, and I'm not going to be so wicked as to come out here and tell nobody. Say that man put question to me. I don't care. If me want to lay down with him, me couldn't lay down with him. Me couldn't lay down with him. You understand? So for all who they chat, but oh, me want Steve. Steve no have nothing what me want. Nothing, not even money. Because if you ain't have money, you'd get a house here in Florida. He wouldn't get one down here. Would have make it possible for him get it. But because of all of the lean and everything what they on Steve's name, and Lorraine don't have no credit. Lorraine tell the people them say when we go in at the Realtor office, Steve not even when carry you in there. Your name no depend nothing. Steve no rate you, Lorraine. No come do like you have a happy marriage. Happy marriage. Girl, go sit down and hold your corners. Go sit down. You think me I come out and come trace with none of you? Me not trace with none of you. All who they look Facebook money and sending the money, YouTube money. You understand? Me not look no money from YouTube. So if that girl thinks that me they look money from YouTube, people who no look into this. Me and Dana started this bullshit from January 2021. All the bloggers, them who no know me not lie. The amount of money what the whole of you make off of the story. The whole of you until now you still them make money. Me couldn't come out on YouTube from day one and put up me sitting thing, you know how much money me would have make, but it was not about money. It was not about money. And if you don't think they go distract me from what me I do, no make a sad mistake. And if you don't think they go distract Dana from baking cake and push out in cake, you better think again, because this year they push out. This year they push out. You understand? I'm not gonna pay no attention to no comment or nothing. As I drive, and me dey on the highway. You understand? But me go come out fi come say Miss Cruz Steve or Steve when they look me. If me I want to down with Steve, me down with Steve, cause Lorraine no have nothing for Steve down with. Me no suck dick. So me not go screw no deadwood man. Me not go screw no deadwood man who no don't call me name. And call me name with Steve. See they know Michelle, go and go to give Steve the liar what you want give him. You so damn stupid. You so stupid, you think say me and you go in a court and you can carry Dana information or Dana story and carry in a court. But me have to go talk what from beginning? Talk what from beginning? And as me there, so make me touch upon disappointed. I have never ever meet up with Opal. Opal, me no mean to call your name, but then out there they call your name with mine. So me have to clear it up. I have never meet up with Opal. Never ever meet up with Opal to collect no cake. I no cake money for Dana. Never. Anything when me and Opal meet up with her, we own damn business. You understand? Me no know Shelly ever clean. I have never seen that girl in person. I don't know if Shelly ever clean a man or a woman. I do not know if she have a brother or a sister. I don't know. So when all of this story that come up about me and Shelly ever clean, and what me and Shelly ever clean meet up or whatever, I will not tell no lie. Me no know the woman. Me no know her. Me never collect nothing. Never ever collect nothing from that woman. Me no know Miss Lawton. At one time, or might be 2 times, I think I might have ever talked to Miss Lawton, and it's on a different business. So why when they call up the people them name? Why? Me no know Carol, me no know none of them. Me and Carol never talk. Carol left me message say me must send back Dana money or give Dana Pitney them the money. I can't remember how the message went go that from 2021.